In this video, we're comparing CrewAI versus n8n, two powerful workflow automation tools designed for very different types of users. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one makes the most sense for your workflow, your technical level, and your automation goals. Let's start with CrewAI. CrewAI is a newer automation platform that puts a strong focus on AI-driven workflows. Its main goal is to make automation simple and accessible, even for non-technical users. CrewAI is designed to automate business processes like marketing, customer support, data handling, and internal operations using intelligent AI agents. One of CrewAI's biggest strengths is its ease of use. The interface is clean, intuitive, and doesn't require deep technical knowledge. You can connect popular tools like Slack, Google Sheets, CRMs, and other business apps with minimal setup. CrewAI shines when you want fast results without worrying about complex configurations or code. It's especially useful for founders, marketers, and teams that want AI-powered automation without a steep learning curve. Now, let's talk about n8n. n8n is an open-source workflow automation platform that's known for its flexibility and deep customization. Unlike CrewAI, n8n is more developer-centric, giving you full control over your workflows, logic, and data. You can build highly complex automations, work directly with APIs, transform data, and connect to hundreds of services. Because n8n is open source, you also have the option to self-host, which gives you more control over security, performance, and costs. That said, n8n does come with a learning curve. Beginners may find it more challenging at first, especially if they're not comfortable with technical concepts like APIs, webhooks, or JavaScript. So how do they compare in real-world use? CrewAI is best if you want a simple, AI-first automation tool that works out of the box. It's ideal for users who prioritize speed, ease of use, and AI assistance over deep customization. n8n is the better choice if you need advanced workflows, custom logic, and full ownership of your automation stack. It's perfect for developers, technical teams, or businesses that want maximum flexibility and scalability. So, which one should you choose? Choose CrewAI if you want an easy-to-use, AI-driven automation platform with pre-built integrations and minimal setup. Choose n8n if you're comfortable with a more technical setup and need complete control over your workflows and integrations. In short, CrewAI focuses on simplicity and AI-powered automation, while n8n focuses on flexibility, control, and customization. The right choice depends on your experience level and how complex your automations need to be. If this comparison helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.